Alright, motherfuckers, what's going on? Check it out. Check it out, my trade. Look at my trade. Look at my beautiful ass trade that I just took right now. Exiting this bitch. No drawdown, bro. I love no drawdown. These no drawdown trades just make me wanna. All over my screen, bro. Shit's just too good. Too good. You can't fuck with me, bro. I'm too good at this shit. Swear to God. So if we're talking technicals, right? This is S&P. I took my trade on Nasdaq, but if we're talking technicals, woke up this morning, went for a mile run, took a shower, had my coffee, got all that shit down, got the blood circulating, got the brain juices going. I'm not waking up and getting straight on the computer because you're still tired. You don't think straight. So we get on here. I'm looking at the week, right? We're down. Huge buying opportunity for anybody that's in the market on some investment shit like your boy. If you're invested in the tech sector, which is what I recommend, this is not financial advice, but I'm about to advise you financially to buy tech stocks, AI stocks, everything that smells like AI. Buy that shit. I'm not even joking. So last week we had this new week opening gap right here that we hit all-time highs, and then I knew we were coming down. I did get snaked on it though. I haven't made a video in a week, or like in weeks actually, so it's been a while. But I've been trading. I have been trading. I just haven't been making videos. I took this short right here and missed out on it. I was just a little early to it. I think I can actually find the exact trade. What day was that? Right here. So yeah, I was a little early on the move. My idea was, end of week, short down into the new week opening gap. And I was just late on it by a few hours. If I had entered maybe a little bit higher too, if I had waited for this retracement, but by 10:45, that's 8 a.m. I'm already done. I'm not on the market anymore. If I had waited a little bit and had my stop loss up here, I probably would have waited out the entire trade all the way to the bottom and made the money, but it's all good. So let's reset chart view, right? So today, we start out, we got all these draws on liquidities to the upside. We're already super, super, super down. In the last week, shit's been from all-time highs, not in general. I mean, this is just a really nice retracement. This is great PD array for longs. When you see that prices at a discount, you want to think, what's big money doing, right? Because big money is playing with trillions. They're not trying to wait for a fucking entry all the way down here. They'll just try to make a few extra on the dollar with a discount right here. So if we're in a discount, I'm looking for longs, and I see juicy ass fucking draws on liquidity. I got one right here, one right here, one right here, all session highs and session lows as well. Mother. Fuck! God damn, dude. Shit gets me horny. I used to pay for the fucking thing, and then I got a new credit card. I haven't set it up. Fucking bullshit. Now I have to fucking look. I can use 10 minute. No, I can't use the 10 minute. I can use the 15 minute, the 5. Can I use the 3? I can use the 3. Can't use the 2. Sick. But I can use the 1. It's whatever. I'm not even. What the fuck am I gonna pay $15 for on that shit? I don't even give a fuck. So yeah, we start out the day. Asia already swept pretty low from New York PM session all the way to Asia session. We had a huge move about, let's see, 647 to 815. So a $200 move almost. A little more than a $200 move. So we're already good on the downside, right? I'm not really looking for shorts, but there is a possibility that we could come down for this Asia low. So I'm very vigilant about that. So right here, pre-market, we get this move up, sweep out London highs, and then we get this kind of retracement, and this is where I started saying, okay, like this is the make or break point. I'm not sure exactly what this is called. I think it's an order block. I like to call it the point of no return. So when there's a low like this and it's swept, and then I'm looking for the continuation, right? So if we break this high, then that's the point of no return for me, and I'm looking for longs. However, if we break the low, then this becomes the point of no return for me. So these two right here are the points of no return in this style of setup, because whether it goes up and crosses that, I would like to see it go up, cross that, give me a little bit of a retracement, and then we're up. Here, wait, let me draw it out so you can see it. I would like to see it go up, cross this high, come down for a little retracement, and then bull run, nigga, all the way up. Same way, however, is that if it goes down, say we're right here, price comes down, I would like to see a little bit of a retracement, and then we shit the bed, nigga. So that's the kind of shit that I'm looking for. I don't really know the exact term for these setups. Every fucking setup has a weird name for it, like a weird term. For all of those of you out there who are new to this shit, or want to get into this shit, or are just seeing shit about trading and want to learn, 99% of this stuff is just big words and weird names and weird terms just to scare you away so that you're not actually like inclined to learn, because if it seems too hard, then you're probably just gonna not try. So don't let any of that shit fool you. I don't really use any of the terms like a fucking breaker bar, or I use fair value gap, obviously that's a very easy one. Inverse fair value gap and PD array. PD array is price. Sorry, PD array is premium / discount. So when price is high, it's at a premium. That means shorts are possible. When price is at a discount, it means longs are possible because price is lower. Those are kind of the main only things. There's a bunch of other stuff. Maybe one day when I start getting fucking views on this shit, I'll actually do like a long YouTube series on a course, because I really feel like I could teach someone actually how to trade. I feel like I'm pretty good at this. All I need to do is prove it to myself and be making real money in this. But yeah, so this is the trade that I took. NASDAQ just seemed a lot cleaner in my opinion. So like I said, that make or break point, right? Was this one and this one for me. So the second that I saw that we stayed above this low and we crossed this high, no problem, that was enough confirmation for me to take a trade. I have my stop loss right at here, which is like the 0.75 of this range, which is kind of where this shit would be invalid. Like if we fell down to here, this trade would have been invalid, and that's all the money I need to lose, or that's the least amount of money I need to lose to know that my idea was wrong. So that's why I put my stop loss there. And then I just took a motherfucker. I took a take profit right here, and then a second TP here, and then full TP. Sorry, second TP, first TP, second TP, third TP at the top, 302 ticks. Bang, bang, Niner gang. That's how we do it. So yeah, great trading today. Very happy with this. And all before 7 a.m. Can't ask for more, bruh. So yeah, love you guys, and I will see you when I see you.